going on, everybody? So what I have here is my 2019 Sport Glide, and again, welcome back to my channel. This is Moto Rob. Having a blasty blast on that quad. Hey man, it's summertime, enjoy. Anyways, back to what this video's about. It's this puppy right here, the Arlen Ness Velocity 65 heavy breather intake. I got this off of Revzilla. It's about $250, and let me tell you, I love this intake. The thing about the Sport Glide to me, one of the styling points for it is wasn't one of those run-of-the-mill Harleys where everybody has, you know, a street glide or a road glide or a heritage or like a street bob. It has a little bit different. It kind of stands out, the styling. And that's what this is right here. It's a little bit different. Most people have a snorkel that comes out at a 90, or they have just a regular intake. My problem that I had with the stock airbox is it came out to like here and here, so you saw less of the motor, and I was bumping my knee and my leg into it when I was taking turns. My leg actually sits up here, and I'm never ever having any issues with clearance on this bad boy. The thing with the Arlen Ness intake though, or any kind of intake you do, if you put a heavy breather on there, you're gonna need to have a tuner on there. That's what I did. I put a Advanced Heinz Fuel Pack FP3, and this bike runs like a beast. It is fun. I'm gonna get up here and take a quick video of me riding so you can see the clearance of it and give you more of my thoughts. Stay tuned. All right, so we see our little guys on quad. There's a guy on a mini bike right ahead of me. They're having a blast over there. Looks like fun. Oh man, that's right. That's how it starts, right? Get addicted. That kid was probably about 11 years old on a little mini bike, just having a blast. Anyways, as you can see, I am not anywhere close to touching this intake. It is real comfy. I can tuck my leg in right there, no problem. So you get a little bit more throttle response when you tune the bike, and you're going to lose a little bit of mileage. I lost maybe 1 mile a gallon, so I'm averaging about 45 now, which is about half and half highway and city driving. So, which I still think is pretty good. I was getting like 47 before. Get a little bit more on the freeway. But anyways, that's how we are, and you might be able to hear it a little bit. I got ambulance ahead and traffic. Gotta be responsible. Responsible adulting, right? The worst decision we ever made is become adults. But we got big cool toys like this, so adulting sucks sometimes, but we get awesome toys. Anyways, back to the subject at hand, right? You came here to talk about intakes and stuff, not adulting. So I'm gonna just see if you can hear it a little bit. But yeah, great little intake system. This thing is amazing. It checked all the boxes for me. It's different. It's not in the way. It sounds good when you get on it, and it complements my exhaust greatly as far as sound and performance. And it's not that bad. It's about $250, I believe I paid for on Revzilla. And it came to my house pretty quick. Shout out to Revzilla, even though you're not sponsoring me, because I only got like 48 subscribers. Speaking of which, if you like what you see, go ahead and leave a comment, hit that thumbs up button, and hit subscribe. See more videos that are coming. I got a lot more coming and a lot more stuff happening to this bike. But yeah, peace out, y'all.